Hey guys, I am Bianca. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating my Christmas tree. I want to get right to it. It is, if I remember correctly, it's over 7 feet tall, so maybe 7.5 feet. Alright, this is a pre-lit tree, but if you follow me on Instagram, go and do that because I had posted on there in the stories that this is a pre-lit Christmas tree, but when I plugged it up, none of the lights worked. So I had to put it all together and of course spread the branches out. That is like the biggest tip because it just looks fuller and more real, I guess you could say. So it took me a while to do that, and then I had to put even more lights on it. Over here I have some things to show y'all. These are the things I plan to use. I have these really pretty red berries. It has like that clear coating on top. If you guys seen my Christmas haul, I unboxed all of my Christmas decor. I showed y'all this. If I see these at Hobby Lobby this year, I'm definitely going to pick more up. And then I have a bunch of little candy ornaments, all from Hobby Lobby. So pretty. Underneath there, I have the tree skirt. Then I have 5 big ornament balls. These are actually from the Dollar Tree, and I don't know if you can tell, but they are the really big ones, and I picked them up last year as well. All of this stuff is from last year. I haven't bought anything new for the tree. The only thing I did get was ribbon, and I decided to use it on the tree. I would like to use this ribbon on the mantle, and I'll show y'all that in a minute. I also have this bow that goes at the top. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. Those ornament balls are actually the only ornament balls I will be putting on the tree because I have all of these candies right here. I also have these really big peppermint candies that I made last year. I will link it at the top if you want to see that. They're made out of wooden circles, the real thin ones, and I just painted them, added glitter, and then I bought this iridescent gift wrap and put it around it from Hobby Lobby. I had enough to cover 5 of these, and here's one that I completely forgot about that I need to purchase some more so I can wrap this one. But you can see how thin it is. All right, 2 picks, really big picks, really pretty, from Hobby Lobby. I'm sure I got it for either 50 or 40% off for $6. So I either got it for $3 or $4. I got 2 of them. And then I have more of these picks right here. I have some of this flocked ribbon that I showed y'all in that haul. And I actually cut these into strips. I wanted to get more use out of them. So I had cut them, and I just love this so much, and I'm thinking about combining this with this ribbon. We'll see how it goes. So I got this Walmart ribbon. They're 25 feet long. I got 2 of these, and I have 1 of these. So my neighbors decided to pressure wash right now, so I'm sorry for that background noise. I'm gonna let this fall, and I'm gonna stick this top part inside like that behind these branches, and then we're gonna make some pretty big loops like this, and then stick the end of that in there. And then we're gonna come in like the opposite way. The biggest tip I can give for this is to always back up from the tree and look at it to see how it's going basically. And that way you can really see how it looks. You know, whenever people walk in, that's how people see it. So you want to back up from the tree, anything you decorate actually, just to see how it really looks. Since you can't see the ending of that ribbon that I just did, I'm going to go ahead and cut that piece and bring it over here to these empty spots. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the end of this one because I don't want it to overlap this. I'm trying to just make sure it's not all perfectly going like one way. You want some in different directions as well. The mesh ribbon is not completely covering that plaid ribbon. I kind of went off to the side just so you can really see both pieces really well. I'm just adding it in some places by itself. Sometimes I'll put it next to like the plaid one. It doesn't have nothing with it. And then I put one right here next to the other two. I'm currently done with all of the ribbon. Next is the big peppermint candies that I made, because they're really big and they're going to take up a lot of space, and I want to make sure I have room for them, so that's what I'm going to add next. Alrighty, now I'm going to add the big ornaments, 5 big ball ornaments, and then all of the small candy ones. I'm going to add the bow to the top with these 2 picks. Now I'll be adding these 2 blocked picks with the berries and pine cones. I'm going to try my best to leave, normally I try to remember to leave the tag, the little tag on them, because I like to remember how much things cost. So I'll just try to hide that tag. Now I'm going to add in these berries at the top. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of them up there. I ended up removing one of the big picks with all of the candies on it, just so it wouldn't be too much at the top. I think that looks good just like that. This is how it is. I will turn on the lights in a minute so you can see how it all looks. And then I added my Hobby Lobby tree skirt that I bought last year, I think for about 20 bucks. Okay, you guys, thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the little decorate with me with my Christmas tree. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember guys, these are just ideas of what you can do. Hopefully I give you an idea of how you can decorate your Christmas tree, even if you don't like the exact style of mine. Hopefully my ideas and some of my tips helped you out. So I'll see you guys in the next video.